the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work, that work. Everything I get, I murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, boy, I'm rounding the corner. This ain't a persona, I do this for real. I'm
I have a Toyota RAV4 here. This one has some bad quarter panel damage. Completely crushed this whole back corner of it. So it's getting a new panel. I got everything covered up, ready to start cutting it apart. I have my new panel here. This is how the new panel comes. They have you section it at the top here. And there's also a procedure where I'm going to section it right in this dog leg section right here. I kind of have it roughly marked. I'm going to cut it all short first, then I'll trim it back. But these are kind of roughly where it's going to go in at. So I'm going to go ahead and get this panel cut off, and then I'll show you guys how I go about fitting the new one up. Well, I got this one all fit together. My door gap lines up nice and even. Then the rear, I have a nice gap, a quarter panel and tail light to the hatch. So this one is ready to weld on. I'm gonna go ahead, I have my spot welding, my compression spot welding to do in this area. And I have my seams I have to MIG weld as well. So, and a few MIG welds on the back.